And racing now, on in front is second by Success of Times, Johnny Now Freedom, then followed by Footnote Boomcow, and followed by Blown Away. Right outside now, Kentucky Rain, Adorable Felicia, and Work from Home, but it's still Success. Old Times with two lengths leader, followed by Freedom, moving up to Boomcow, then two lengths away in fourth is Footnote, and as they race, the four-turn Success of Times is racing on the outside, lengths leader from the Bukawa, and down in third is Freedom, then followed by Footnote. And as they race, the last 400 now, Success of Times in front by some three lengths, followed by the Bukawa and Freedom, and down the stretch they go. It is still Success. Old Times in front by some three lengths, followed by the Bukawa, and bring up by the wheel now is Footnote, Kentucky Rain, and hitting the finish line, Success of Times, setting up the Bukawa, and finally from start to finish, that Success of Times, the Bukawa, blown away, Kentucky Rain, Adorable Felicia